In just 4 days' time, every single Kentuckian is going to get notice in open enrollment, and they are going to see their healthcare costs skyrocket. Every single person, whether you're on the Affordable Care Act, whether you have employer-based insurance, you're going to see your health insurance premiums rise dramatically. And why is that? Well, first of all, you have to look at what Donald Trump and the Republicans did earlier this summer by making the largest cut to Medicaid in our nation's history, a move that in just a year's time will kick hundreds of thousands of Kentuckians off of their health insurance. Will have devastating impacts. The Kentucky Hospital Association is predicting if this continues to be the policy, you could see as many as 35 rural hospitals in Kentucky close. You see that private-based employer insurance companies, they know what's going to happen, and they are making everyone pay for those costs that are going to rise. Then you have to also look at what's happening to the Affordable Care Act. In the Affordable Care Act, I was in the state Senate in Kentucky when the Affordable Care Act was implemented in our state. It moved the needle on public health more than anything we've ever seen. 440,000 Kentuckians got health insurance for the very first time. And when you look at who's on the Affordable Care Act, it's easy to see why. Over half of the adults using the Affordable Care Act for their insurance, they own a small business. They work in a small business. It has provided people the ability to have health insurance and to be able to afford it. But now, unless the House Republicans and Donald Trump act, those costs are going to skyrocket for every single Kentucky, because the tax credits that are in place that make the Affordable Care Act affordable for so many of our neighbors right now are going to expire at the end of this year. And unless Congress acts, people are going to see their health insurance rates go through the roof.